Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll error code 6. Error code 6 usually means there are connection problem. First, check your Wi-Fi is working properly. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or from mobile data to Wi-Fi. After switching, reopen the Crunchyroll and try again. Next, fully close the Crunchyroll app. Swipe up to see the recent app. Find Crunchyroll and swipe it away to close it. Now open the app again and check if the error is gone. Resetting or restarting your phone or device can fix small glitches. Turn your device off, wait for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open Crunchyroll and try playing a video. After that, go to setting or go to App Store, search for Crunchyroll and make sure the app is fully updated. An outdated app can cause error code 6. Open Crunchyroll setting, log out your account, close the app completely, then open it again and log back in. This refreshes your account connection, and that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.